Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English Fast TV.
Today, we're practicing how to handle conflict and disagreements calmly during a flatmate house meeting.
Living with other people can sometimes be stressful. People may disagree about cleaning, noise, guests, cooking, or paying bills.
But instead of arguing or shouting, we can use calm and respectful English to solve problems peacefully.
In this video, you'll learn useful English phrases for difficult conversations.
Listen carefully to the tone, pronunciation, and polite expressions.
Let's begin. Hey, Ryan, do you have some time to talk tonight?
Sure, Emma. Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything's fine. I just think we should discuss a few apartment issues calmly before they become bigger problems.
That sounds reasonable.
I didn't want to text about it because messages can sometimes sound rude or aggressive.
That's true. Face-to-face conversations are usually better.
Thanks for being open to talking. So, the first thing I wanted to discuss is the kitchen situation.
Yeah. I figured this conversation might include that.
Don't worry. I'm not trying to attack you.
Okay, good.
Recently, the kitchen has been messy quite often, especially late at night.
Yeah, I know. I've been leaving dishes in the sink sometimes.
I know everyone gets tired after work or college.
Thanks for understanding that.
But sometimes the mess stays there until the next afternoon, and it makes cooking difficult.
That's fair.
Yesterday, I wanted to make breakfast, but the sink was completely full.
Sorry about that. I came home really late and didn't have energy to clean.
I understand. I've had those days too.
Honestly, balancing work and apartment responsibilities has been harder than I expected.
Same here. Adult life is exhausting sometimes.
Seriously.
Maybe we should create a system that feels easier for everyone.
What kind of system?
Maybe a weekly cleaning schedule?
That could actually help a lot.
We could divide tasks equally instead of waiting for someone else to do them.
Yeah, because right now, everything feels random.
Exactly.
We should probably include trash duty too.
Definitely.
Because I think the trash bag has officially become a dangerous science experiment.
Okay, that's true.
I opened the lid yesterday and immediately regretted it.
Same.
But honestly, I appreciate that you brought this up calmly instead of yelling.
I think respectful conversations work much better.
Definitely.
When people feel attacked, they usually become defensive instead of cooperative.
That's actually very true.
So instead of saying, "Why are you always messy?" I try to say, "How can we solve this together?"
That sounds much less aggressive.
Exactly. Since we're discussing apartment issues,
can we also talk about the utility bills?
Of course.
The electricity bill still hasn't been fully paid yet.
Oh, wait. I thought I already transferred my part.
I received last month's payment, but not this month's.
Oh no, you're right. I completely forgot.
Don't worry. I just wanted to remind you.
Thanks for bringing it up politely.
No problem.
I've been distracted recently because of exams and work deadlines.
I get it. Everyone's stressed lately.
I'll send the payment tonight.
Perfect. Thank you.
We should probably create reminders so this doesn't happen again.
Yeah, because late fees are annoying.
And expensive.
Very expensive.
Maybe we could use a shared expense app.
Honestly, that's a smart idea.
The app could notify everyone automatically before bills are due.
That would make life much easier.
We could also keep track of groceries and apartment supplies there.
That's actually perfect.
Look at us, becoming organized adults.
Slowly, very slowly.
Was there anything else you wanted to mention?
Maybe one more thing.
Go ahead.
Sometimes the apartment gets a little noisy late at night.
Oh, am I too loud sometimes?
Not all the time.
Okay.
Mostly when your friends come over during weekends.
Ah, I see.
I know everyone wants to relax and have fun, and I'm not saying you can't invite people.
Thanks for saying it respectfully.
I just struggle to sleep when conversations get loud after midnight.
I honestly didn't realize it was affecting you that much.
I didn't want to sound rude by complaining.
You're not complaining. You're communicating honestly.
Thanks.
Maybe after 10 p.m. we can lower the volume a little.
I'd appreciate that a lot.
And if things get too loud again, feel free to remind me politely.
Deal.
Honestly, these conversations are easier when both people stay calm. Absolutely. Small problems become huge problems when nobody talks about them. Yeah, silence usually creates more tension. Communication is uncomfortable sometimes, but necessary. Very true. There's actually another small issue, too. Wow. Tonight is the full apartment meeting. Apparently. Okay, what's the next problem? Sometimes food disappears from the fridge unexpectedly. Wait, are you talking about your chocolate ice cream? Yes, my beautiful chocolate ice cream. Okay, I admit it. I eat some. Emma, betrayal hurts. I'm sorry. I thought it was shared food.
It definitely was not shared food.
Okay, that's my mistake.
Honestly, it's not a huge issue. I just think we should clarify which groceries are shared.
That's fair.
Maybe we can label personal food separately,
Good idea.
especially frozen desserts.
Lesson learned.
But I think tonight went really well.
Me too.
I was nervous before this conversation started.
Really? Me too.
I thought we might end up arguing.
I'm glad we didn't.
Same.
Great job practicing calm English conversations today.
Quiz time. Which sentence sounds more respectful?
A. Why are you always making a mess? B. How can we keep the apartment cleaner together?
Comment your answer below.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice English every day.